one here is the 25. I think this is in black. It's hard to tell under this lighting, but maybe it's in Blue Nuit with the gold hardware. And then I'm pretty sure this is the rose gold hardware in a tan. These are both 25s in Togo. And that's another Italian in rose gold. And then over here they have the mini Kelly. The other thing that I love is that they have the prices. As you can see, it's $63.50, so I really like that. It's really gorgeous. And then this I believe is 32. This is the Vuitton in, I don't know what this color is. It's a very light gray. It might be blue, gris pearl. And then there, I think that's Sesame, and these are both in the 25. That's in the Cellier. And there's the Croc. And there's the Evelyn. I think this is called Blue Pale. It's gorgeous. And then this, I believe, is their classic gold in Swift. So beautiful. And then this one they call the Touch. It's got the Croc handle and the sangles. Really, really beautiful. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this one yet. It's 7,000 pounds, so this is how much it costs in Paris for the 25 size in the Vuitton for Togo leather. Different leathers are different sizes. So for example, this is also Vuitton, but it's Swift, and it's 7,250 euros. Can you see that? There you go. And then this one over here, it's also 7,000. So yeah. We also have this little special one over here. So pretty. It's really nice. And then that's so pretty.
And then you make a new one.
So you see the Cellier, this is in the 25 size. It's 7,600 euros in the Epsom leather. But then for the same size, it's only 7,000 euros. Well, not only, but in the Togo, but this is in the Vuitton style. So it's less in the Vuitton and it's more expensive in the Cellier. And then this here is the Cellier. Gold. No, this isn't gold. This is one of their, I think it might be Sesame. And then I think this is Gris Pearl. This is in the 25 size. They've got here in the Croc. And then I think this is the 32. These ones are just gorgeous. And then this here is the 30 in the gold with palladium hardware. This is the 25 in Swift with the palladium hardware. And this is also the 25 in Togo. So beautiful. And look at all of this in gold. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I guess these are like the private rooms. They're about to get their Birkin or Kelly. So pretty.
Yeah, something to see. Ah oui, voilà, pour celui-ci. Ah non, non, c'est peut-être béton. Comme ça, on aura des trois. Tout est là. Est-ce que vous êtes contacté?
These are so pretty. So I only recently saw these. So I, of course, I know about the Oran, but I didn't know they had the, basically it's the Oran with a little ankle strap. I feel like that would be so comfortable. Let's see, these are, because it's croc, that's why they're so much, 2,900 euros. But I wonder how much just, even this one is more special. I'm sure this one will be more. 740 euros, but I probably just the basic ones are closer to like 600 or 700 euros. So pretty, and I love this pink color. This with the rose gold. So pretty. I love this like dusty rose color. It's gorgeous. Rose oak, that's the color, right? That's like a really beautiful pink rose oak. So pretty. These ones, Rouge Sangria. I love the red of these. So pretty. Ooh, and these ones, these are more styles that I haven't really seen. What do you think of these? I love the little kitten heel. Nice little mule. $6.90. These. I love this red color. Let's see. This is Rouge H. That's what I thought it was. This is a color they had years and years ago. And I forget who it was. I think it was Ella and M. That a girl from her blog's called Ella and M. She got a Kelly in this color Rouge H. And that was like in 2016. And I always love this color, and they recently reintroduced it. So pretty. And then this one, let's see. This is in the Swift leather, and this is called Cognac.
This is what it's on the house. Yeah.
So these ones, this color is gorgeous. Oran. These boots, I love the little Kelly lock. So beautiful. These are just in natural. $13.70. So pretty. see these are harder to find. They're the gold. So pretty, these. Love these. This looks like it's permabrass. It looks like it's a very light gold. I think it is. So their permabrass is their very light, like champagne gold that they do on special order bags. There's that option for that. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on my Instagram. It's Double Vanilla. And I have so many more Paris videos coming out, so stay tuned. Bye!